Hello friends. In the last video I had shown you about how to create a Google Sheet, something like this, and we had created a sheet for uh, NSE, and roughly we have around 1,934 stocks listed here, and then we can quickly make a filter of this and see which are all under our buying criteria here. So basically we are trying to look at 52-week high by low, which is less than 2, and then which has come to our buying logic, which is between the average buy high band and the average low band. Okay, once we have identified which in belongs to these two and the buy signal has come, then we can open up the chart here. So I have added direct chart link to this one. So I'm just trying to show you what is the logic behind this one. So you have to use a hyperlink for opening something on the trading view. So once you have given this link and then you are trying to pull the data from NSE colon 20 microns. Okay, this is just an example that I'm showing here. So similarly, when it goes to the next line item, it will pick NSE 361. Okay, and I have also given the link for the chart view. So the syntax for chart view would be something different. Here you give the hyperlink and then https charting.com stocks, and here there is a change. So ampersand, then the location, and then ampersand. So then it will open it for you. Let me just open that and then share you how does it look like. So when you click on that particular link, you will be able to see the trading view uh, candle chart here. So I'll explain in detail about how to use these things in the later stages. Here again, when I click on this charting, you will be in a position to see the charting data here. Okay. So now, similarly, we can prepare the sheet for the BSE stocks. So here I have created for the BSE stocks. One advantage that we get from the BSE data is like we get the company, apart from the company name and the code, we also get the sector name and the particular industry and to which subgroup it belongs to. So let me show you from where this data can be downloaded. You can go to BSE site. So this would be the BSE basic site that you will get into, and then from here you go to corporate, and in corporate you go to the uh, listed securities here. So here you have an option of T plus 1, and then status is active. So only these two are okay for us. The rest of the things are not required. When you click on submit, list will be shown, and you can download that entire list from here. Okay, so it also gives information about the group and then face value and also the market capitalization if it is required. Okay, so if you click on download, you will get a CSV download of this one, and using this you can create the Google Sheet whatever I have shown. So this security, this would be your first column, and then you can take the other columns as and required. I have chosen industry and then the sub industry and other things. That's why you are able to see these data here, corresponding data. So what is the advantage that you can do here is like when you filter it out, you can also compare with the peer companies. So for example, let me take industries in terms of I'll make it clear. Let me take for the energy industry. Okay, so whatever is there in energy that will come, and in that again you can also take it for the gas related here as an example. All these are gas related, and again in that you can also look for a particular transmission LPG supplier, something like this. So here you can see all the companies which are listed under these subcategories, and then you can also browse for the data, whether it is within the average or not. So if we look at here, even though it is less than 52 week, it is not in the buying range for us. And sometimes you will see this NA, that means the sheet is not able to pull the data from Google. Okay, so it is okay for us, nothing to worry about that one. Okay. So I'll do a grouping. So this time we'll see how many are coming for us. So this is less than 2 I will take, and then click on the OK, and then we'll see how many buy signals we are getting here. Blank we don't want, NA we don't want, and then click on OK. So here we can see that almost 48 companies are there for us to go through the fundamentals, and then we can buy from this one. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you to create the Google sheet, and formulas would be same. You can use the same NSE formulas here. There is nothing changed. You just have to change the codes here. That's it. Okay, hope this is helpful for you. Thanks a lot for viewing the video.